Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Dell Alien 15. So first go to dell.com. Okay, this is Dell official website. Then click on support and then go to download and driver or download Alienware 15. Okay, wait few seconds to synchronize. So this is your laptop. Scroll down, click to find specific driver. You can check the automatically, so you can select the automatic means you can see the required driver and then you can install. If you require the custom driver, so select the driver on click, then select the first operating system, Windows 10. If you are using Windows 10, Windows 11, so you can select the Windows 10, then click on categorize. Scroll down, this is all driver. Scroll down, network ethernet wireless. So first Bluetooth driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So then it is completed. Just single click to open, then click for install. After that, click on yes. You can see the wireless Bluetooth driver and click to install. Then next to install. This is very next step is very simple. Now you can see this start background and close it.